If you love this beautiful Fiori Couture corset and fairy court pigtails, look at these stunning miniature birdcage earrings. Here's how to take the original braids into this elegant updo, perfect for prom, a bohemian, or vintage bride. Part your hair in the center, and with a tiny curling iron, curl away from the face. What's easy about this style, you don't have to curl your entire head, just some romantic texture around the face and up top. After adding a couple curls, piece them apart for a fuller, fluffier look. This is optional, but if you don't want a center part down the back like a milkmaid braid, here's my easiest trick. Pre-curl a thick extension. This is a volume weft from Irresistible Me. Clip this at the top of your head, but leave a bit of your part showing. This will create some beautiful curls at the back with very little effort. And let's start on the pigtails. At the top, take two sections, twist them inwards, grouping them together with a mini elastic. This gives a similar effect to a butterfly twist without having to pull the hair through the loop. Create a couple more single twist, pinning backwards, fluffing up the texture as you go. When you're at your ear, divide the hair over your shoulder into two. Now split the bottom section in half and group over top of the base pigtail again, twisting and securing with an elastic like we did up top. Repeat this a couple more times, pulling apart each loop for tons of volume, and the curls really help with this. If you have shorter hair, you can stop here, do the other side, meet the braids in the back, and that's a beautiful updo as it is, but if you have extra length, continue to do a regular braid with the 3 strands. And let's repeat. Start with a faux butterfly twist, a couple twists sweeping backwards, split the section in two, and begin a pull-through braid, or what has recently been called a dragon braid. This again looks so pretty with a bit of a twist to it. Finishing off with a regular braid, can add some bows or flowers. It's such a pretty style, and I was so excited to see that some amazing hair influencers recreated this. Like, look at this hair. Look at the hair on Molly. Definitely tag me if you try it out because I would love to see it. But if you do want to go for something a little bit more elegant, you can convert these fairy core pigtails into a stunning updo pretty easily. We still have the curls flowing at the back. Style this into a low ponytail. I did this extension step in the Pride and Prejudice updo tutorial as well. It just makes it so much easier if you're doing hair on yourself. Twist the pigtail braid because it's a bit looser by the neck, pull it around the head and hide the extension, pinning into it. I've also added some bobby pins around the braid to make sure it stays put. One more time, twist, bring this around the head and pin into place, hiding the base of that extension. A note for shorter hair, if you want to use the extension hack to hide it, instead of bringing the braids under, twist them so they're tighter and lay over top of the extension. You'll get a style a little bit more similar to this, but with a bit of a fancier texture. And for the pony at the back, twist and create a pretty rosette style bun. And breaking this look down into steps makes it really foolproof, but also super long lasting because everything is secured really well. The extension acts as an anchor for the updo, and this could totally work for a beach wedding, a long night, a photo shoot, prom. You don't have to worry about it losing volume, and it's really comfortable. There's really not that many bobby pins in here. So let me know, should this be a contender for my bridal look this summer? I don't know, I was gonna leave my hair down, but maybe I'll do half up, half down, and updo. I'm confused, but let me know what you think. And of course, here's a close-up of the stunning Fiori Couture birdcage earrings again. Here they are in antiqued gold, and just look at the detail. I always get so excited to unbox anything Fiori. We also have them in silver with the red roses. This was inspired by this stunning corset. This was totally filmed for Instagram vertically, but I loved this look. I thought I could give a bit more of a thorough explanation on here, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. I do have talk through makeup tutorials still coming up. This was just kind of an extra one. If you love couture, I always feel like I'm saying that word wrong. Check out my vlog channel. I've worn a ton of Fiori designs and shot with Lost Lands collections. They're some of my favorite vlogs ever, and these earrings will be linked down below. They are available.